Good day to everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the introduction to dance. In this video, I will talk about the elements of dance and the types of dances. First, we are going to study about the space. The space is the area that the dance should be performed. For example, this one, this is my space. No? Around me is my space that I'm going to perform now. Next, the direction. The direction is the focal point that you are going to go or to move when you are going to dance. The step, movement, okay? It is the focal point or a direction that you are going to go. This one is the center stage. The center stage is the center of the space. And when you are going down, this is the down stage. And you are going up, this is the up stage. And you are going diagonal position to the right, you have the right down stage. And going to the left, you have the left down stage. And going up to the right, you have the right up stage. And going up to the left, you have the left up stage. So this we call as the direction. Now, the focus. The focus is the change of direction by looking at a focal point. For example, I'm going to turn to my right. So I'm going to look at my right and then I will turn. Look at my right and then I will turn. So we call this as the focus. For example, I'm going to dance to the left, going to the left. So I will look at my left side and then I will dance to the left. That's it. Next is the size. The size is the movements that may vary according to its action. It may be smaller or larger action. For example, this one, pop, 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 pop. It's a small size. But for example, this one, pam, 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 pam. It's a bigger size. Okay? So next, we have the levels. The levels, it can be done in a high, medium, and low level. Or by flat, floor, and air. What does it mean? For flat, like this one. So I'm standing on my feet. So when I dance, standing on my feet, so this is a flat dance. Okay? This is a flat dance. Because I'm standing on my feet like this. But when you say floor dance is like this. So when you are going to use the floor already, it is a floor dance. For example, this one. This one. So it is a floor dance. What is an air dance? An air dance like this. Okay? That is an air dance. So we have the flat, the floor, and an air. Now next is the timing. The timing, it may vary in its tempo. Either quick or slow. Performers move with tempo according to beat or pulse. Report bar in a measure. It's like this. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. Another one. For example, a 3/4 bar in a measure. It is like this. Most likely, this is used in words. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Next is dance energies. Movements are propelled by energy or force. It's either strong or weak to minimize the monotony of the performance. Like what? Like this. So for example, this one, you may do it in a slow, soft movement. It's a weak movement. But you may also do it in strong. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. That is strong movement. And lastly is the bodily shapes. It refers to how the entire body is molded in space or the configuration of the body parts. It can be round, angular, or the combination of round and angular. For example, like this. So a movement is like this. Rounded, it can be rounded, it can be angular. Again, rounded, it can be angular. Or the combination of both. The rounded and the angular. Okay? The rounded and the angular. That's it. Or it may be wide or narrow. So it can be like this. It can be like this. Or high or low. High or low. High or low. Or it can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. Symmetrical, symmetrical, it means it is doing a pattern. Asymmetrical, it is not doing a pattern. Okay, so you can begin to like this. Yo, come on. Yo, come on. Go. Now, the next topic is about the types of dances. First, the first dance is about ballet. Why ballet? The ballet is the fundamentals of all dances. What does it mean? All the movements came from ballet because it is the basic of all dances. Okay, now next is ballroom. Ballroom can be in social dance or for dance sport. In social dance, it includes mambo, salsa, swing, jitterbug, rock and roll, and boogie. Now, how about for dance sport? In dance sport, we have two types of dances. We have the Latin American dance and the modern standard. For the Latin American dance, we have the cha-cha-cha, the jive, the rumba, the samba, and the paso doble. And while in modern standard, we have the slow waltz, tango, foxtrot, quick step, and the Viennese waltz. Now next, we have the hip hop. In hip hop, we all know that hip hop is an urban dance, like breaking, popping, locking, and freestyle. Now, we also have square dancing. A square dancing, it is a type of dance or a type of folk dance where four couples are going to dance in a square pattern or moving around each other and changing partners. Next one is tap dancing. Tap dancing is like tapping, almost tapping, making all tapping sounds. And last one is the folk dancing. The folk dancing is the traditional dance of any country. So we call that as folk dancing. Now let's go back to ballet. In ballet, we use French word. So French word is almost used to use terminologies for ballet. For example, the slides, we call that as glissé. The point, we call that as tondo. And the fluidity of the legs, We call that as fondue. And the kicks, we call this as grand batma. Just like that. Now, for example, in ballroom, we have social dance and dance sport. So, what are the difference of these two dances? For example, in cha-cha-cha is a term used for dance sport, while cha-cha is a term used for social dance. So, what does it mean? It means that when we say ballroom or social dance, for the cha-cha, it is like this. And cha-cha, 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 cha-cha. And for dance sport, it is like this. Okay? And go. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha. Okay, that's the difference of these two dances. Now, let's proceed to hip-hop. Breaking. Breaking is like this. What else? Popping. That's popping. Locking. That's locking. Freestyle. Freestyle. That's all, everyone. Thank you so much and good day.